What if your next camping trip felt more like living in the future? From floating campsites and inflatable shelters to space-inspired solar technology and portable outdoor chickens, these incredible inventions are transforming camping forever. And number 1 pick is absolutely unbelievable. Number 10. OZtrail All-in-One Camp Kitchen transforms a campsite into a complete outdoor cooking station with OZtrail All-in-One Camp Kitchen. The powder-coated steel frame guarantees strength and durability, while the ample benchtop provides ample space for food preparation. It features a special stove shelf, a dishwashing space, a storage pantry, wire shelves, hooks, even a lantern pole, all in one system. It offers approximately 2.5 meters of working space altogether. All things remain in order and easily accessible. The whole assembly folds into a carry bag at the end of the trip for easy transport. It offers home-style convenience practically anywhere for families and campers who like to cook outside. Number 9. Coleman Instant Up Darkroom Tent. A good night's sleep can make a significant difference during any camping trip. The Coleman Instant Up Darkroom Tent addresses one of the most common camping frustrations: early morning sunlight and rising temperature inside the tent. Its special darkroom technology blocks up to 95% of incoming sunlight and helps keep the interior noticeably cooler during hot days. Setup is equally impressive, thanks to the Instant Up frame system that allow to be pitched in just a couple of minutes. The oversized screened door and large mesh windows invite breezes and enhance headroom and space in the interior. It's also made of weatherproof fabric and has a waterproof bottom and seams for added protection. The outcome is a camp shelter that makes things more comfortable from dawn to dusk. Number 8. GentleTent Bee Turtle. Imagine towing your entire campsite behind a bicycle. That is exactly what the GentleTent Bee Turtle makes possible. This innovative micro-camper is a combination of a portable smaller trailer and an inflatable tent system. When erected, the trailer opens to a neat and comfortable 2-person sleeping shelter that has full-height entry and protection from storms and weather. It was manufactured in Austria and contains approximately 120 liters of capacity for gear and supplies. Its weight is about 29 kilograms. It is particularly favored by those who ride e-bikes for longer journeys, as it offers an alternative to car or RV travel. Compact, functional, and oddly comfortable. The Bee Turtle is a clever solution to almost anything on the market for people who want to go farther while packing up nearly everything. Number 7. Z-Lounger. Most inflatable furniture looks temporary. The Z-Lounger feels completely different. Z looks more like a high-quality indoor furniture rather than traditional camping gear. However, comfort is merely one aspect. The structure is designed to be compressible and lightweight, yet strong. It is waterproof, lasting, and even will float on lakes and rivers. It makes for a comfortable spot to lounge either on a rocky surface, damp grass, sand, or a dock very quickly. It inflates to a large size, but can be rolled up into a few kilogram weight package and features a portable shoulder strap for easy carry. It's one of the things that create the sense of luxurious living when relaxing outdoors. Number 6. Karbo Grill X1. Outdoor cooking usually requires carrying multiple pieces of equipment. The Karbo Grill X1 simplifies everything. Packed inside a rugged suitcase-style case, it unfolds into a complete outdoor cooking station capable of grilling, frying, and baking. Built from cast aluminum, it is designed for durability while remaining portable enough for camping trips and outdoor gatherings. The system connects to standard propane tanks and reaches temperatures of up to 371 degrees Celsius. That level of heat opens the door to cooking everything from steaks and burgers to pizzas and vegetables. There is even an integrated cutting board hidden inside the design. Instead of carrying separate appliances, campers get a compact all-in-one kitchen that feels remarkably professional. Number 5. Sego Charger. With the advent of smartphones, GPS devices, cameras, and other electronics, reliable power has become a necessity to modern campers. The Sego Charger was designed to provide renewable energy in remote areas with minimal weight and bulk. It expands almost 8-fold from its packed size through an origami-like pattern, inspired by the deployable solar technologies found in aerospace work. It folds conveniently into backpack. When deployed, it forms a much greater surface area of solar collection that can charge devices and portable solar power stations. Energy is maximized with high-efficiency solar cells, surrounded by a long-lasting protective ETFE layer, which does not deteriorate when exposed to UV radiation and other environmental damage. The Sego Charger is engineered for durability and resistance to rain, dust, and tough outdoor environments, making off-grid power more accessible and practical than ever before. Number 4. Polar Bird Raft 260. Most people camp beside the water. The Polar Bird Raft 260 lets you camp directly on it. This floating and inflatable platform forms a totally new outdoor experience. It is about 8.5 feet on a side and offers enough space for several people and ample equipment. There are 2 separate air compartments and a strong base to resist movements of the passengers. It's able to carry as much as 600 kilograms of gear, coolers, camping gear, and even a tent. For added versatility, users can attach a small motor or tow it behind a boat. But the real attraction is spending the night surrounded by open water. Waking up in the middle of a lake with nothing but nature around you is an experience few campers ever forget. Number 3. Heimplanet Cave. Setting up a tent is often one of the least enjoyable parts of camping. The Heimplanet Cave was designed to make that process quicker and easier. Rather than poles, it relies on an inflatable airframe, which can be erected in less than 60 seconds. The interconnected air chambers add a strong geometric structure to resist difficult weather, inflated by a single valve, which makes setup and takedown much simpler. Its standout feature is a segmented structure that enables a single chamber to be used if a puncture occurs, keeping the tent functioning even if damaged. The Heimplanet Cave, with its roomy interior and weatherproof exterior, reflects a very innovative way in modern tent design. Number 2. BeanPod Adventure Trailer. When on extended travel, balancing comfort, storage, and self-sufficiency can in many cases be a challenge. The BeanPod Adventure Trailer combines the 3-in-1's rough off-road package. It is designed with serious outdoor adventurers in mind and includes a pull-out camp kitchen with a stove, sink, and food prep counter, making cooking on a campsite easy and efficient. A rooftop tent above the trailer offers great sleeping space and still keeps good space below for storage and supplies. The trailer can also accommodate larger gear and equipment, including surfboards, motorcycles, and kayaks. Additional features include exterior lighting, tie-down points, a compact shower, and advanced air suspension. Built for extended journeys far from civilization, the BeanPod functions as a highly capable mobile base camp for modern explorers. Number 1. ODUN Outdoor Stove. Every memorable camping trip eventually revolves around a fire. The ODUN Outdoor Stove brings this ancient tradition to life and redefines outdoor cooking and entertaining. It is not only a stove, but also, at the same time, a grill, smoker, pizza oven, outdoor fireplace, and portable heater. It's constructed from stainless steel and high-tech composites materials, guaranteeing years of outdoor performance. Users can watch the food cooking through the large glass panels and see the flames at the same time. A high-efficiency airflow system creates efficient burning, decreases smoke, and ensures even heat. The ODUN can make real wood-fired pizzas in as quick as 90 seconds, making it an incredibly versatile pizza oven. Whether you are just grilling, roasting, baking, smoking, or setting up a cozy, inviting outdoor environment, it adds new level of functionality to any outdoor living or camping experience. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible inventions, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane tech inventions.